The state-of-the-art AI you use today is not owned by you.
We're really focused on a single thing, the empowerment of individuals with AI.
We've adopted an integrated technology that we fundamentally don't own. We need to solve that quickly.
The way that we're viewing value is changing.
We need people that are building systems.
AI is sovereign when you can control where it runs.
What would it be like if you had specialized models in the aviation industry, in the military?
Firefighters are running into burning buildings blindly, and they're making decisions that are operating with intuition at best.
And it's built for the people. It's built to make individuals better, communities stronger.
Compute's going to change, data's going to change, transport's going to change, energy's going to change.